welcome back. I'm going to pour over this guy. I just did it. I tried mica powders with my pouring medium. Not really happy with the result. I don't even think I'll put the video up. I think I probably just deleted it. So I just figure, well, I don't really want to show you a video that didn't work, so let's go again. All right, there's my pillow paint. It's just interior white paint. I've got a light pink, a dark pink, a purple, a turquoise, and a lime green Jo Sonjas, and I've got some black for the cell activator, which is Floetrol and Amsterdam lamp black, 2 to 1. So let's get going with some burgundy. Now I haven't got much of this left, so just a little bit. Come on. Yes, I know there's not much of you left, is there? And then some purple, and let's go with the lime. You're making some awful noises there. And some pink. I'm a bit over it. I did 2 of those, trying to get the pigment powders to work, and yeah, it just did not want to work. So see how this goes. I don't want to put a too dark a color on top. I think that'll be enough, because you know the black's going on top, so the darker colors underneath with the white, I think. Rightio, here we go. Not too much of the black. You want to spread it. You don't want it to be too thick. And on low, straight down and out as well. A absolutely terrible blow, Julie. Shocking. You can tell I'm tired. Had enough today. I do want to go off on a little bit of a win. I think my black might be a little bit thick, actually. No, I don't like that middle bit. I'm going to put some more black there. And just see if I can get a better center. Don't know if that's going to be any good. Kind of got like a double bloom there. I'm a bit out of practice, I must say. I haven't done a lot of these. Like about a year ago. Was it about a year ago that we all started doing these? I think it was about a year ago. And I did them and I did them and I did them and until I was totally over them. But just wanted to revisit with the mica powders, but no, it didn't work. Well, not for me anyway. Probably need to play a little bit more with them. You can't expect to do them twice and then say, no, can't do it. But yeah, I've got other things I need to do today. So let's give this a spin and see if we can have something pretty. Woo! I love it when it does that. I find it needs to do that to have a really good coverage. Oh, look at those colors. Now go back the other way. Don't want to take too much off. I just want it to go over the edges. I don't want to lose all those gorgeous colors and lacing and everything that I've tried so hard to create. See if I can stop this gently. Oh, there's a little stripy corner I see. Okay. Well, that double bloom look, I don't know that I like it really. I wonder if I've got enough to go again. I really like that interior there. I do like that bit there. That's my best bit. I'm going to get my comb because I don't like the rest of it. I'm going to save it. Try and save it. Here we go. I'm going to just comb the outside a bit, leaving the middle bit there because I love the middle. And I don't know whether or not this will be any good, whether or not it's any better, probably worse. Oh, I don't know. Let's just spin it again, hey? Oh, it slipped. Let's go again. It slipped. Around we go. I might have enough paint to go one more time. Just like I said, I want to finish on a good note, and then I can pack my spinning box away for another month or so until I feel the need to come and do something else with it. Not doing it for me. Give it another spin, and if it's still no good, I'll just pour over the top. I think I've got enough paint to go again. What do we think? See, I've got no more turquoise though. Love that. These corners are a bit weird now because I put the comb through them. I wonder if I can get a little bit more off, and maybe I can save it. Let's see, we go this way. There's not a lot of paint left that's flying off, so that's telling me it's pretty thin on the surface because it's not really flying out anymore. Stop it. I really love the colours, but it's just not doing it for me. I wonder if see, this is the one I haven't got much of. What about if I leave it upside down for a minute? I shall put it in my pocket. Right, let's go again. I'm sure I can do better. I hope I can do better. Let's go again. We'll just leave that there. I do use a lot of white. And a little bit of extra in the middle. A little bit extra for good luck. Okay. Such a messy type of art, this one. And there's my, what is it? Magenta. And pale pink. And the purple. Oh, come on guys, be nice. Don't make horrible noises like that. And get this one out of my pocket. See if I can get anything out of him. Any little bit will help. No, that's it. Okay, what else have I got that's similar colour? I've got this one, there's a little bit left in this one. It's a similar colour. And a bit more lime, I think. Lime's running low too. Okay, that's it. Now, my black. I might add, no. I was going to make it a little bit thinner, but I think it'll be alright. Maybe just kind of spread it rather than let it all drop into the centre. You really don't need a lot of black. You just need a little bit for it to fly over the top of the other colours. Straight down, over. My black's a bit thick, I think. It's not wanting to glide over the other colours as well as it should. Right, I'm going to leave it like that. I don't mind those two little black areas. Yeah, it's funny. It's thicker than... I'm going to add a bit of Floetrol to it just so I know for next time. When I make up the white, I only go 2 to 1, but I think black is thicker, isn't it, than white? Let's add a little bit of Floetrol to that. That's what I find when I'm doing acrylic pouring. The black is always thick and I always have to thin it down. So I think what I'll need to do is go 3 parts Floetrol to 1 part black and stick to the 2 to 1 with my white. But in saying that, if your cell activator is nice and thick, relatively thick, you'll get much better lacing. Like it'll stay, your lacing will stay nice and formed rather than break. All right, let's spin this baby and see what happens. Whee, there goes the big umbrella of white. Love it, love it. Okay, let's stop it and have a look, see what we've got this time around. Oh, look at that, you guys. Look at those colours. Wow. All right, let's go the other way. Ooh, that's a lot of paint. Hopefully it's gone off the corners. Let's stop it. Stop it gently, otherwise it's going to go bang, 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 and disrupt your lacing. Instead of having a nice round lacing, you might have a bit jagged. Round and round we go, where we stop, nobody knows. Oh, that's so pretty. Do you like that? Oh, all right, I'm leaving that. Let me get my hands clean here. Actually, let me just clean up my sides a little bit. Take a little bit of what's sitting on here. And I just need to drop it over that corner. Whoops, did I take some from the side that I shouldn't have? There we go. Touch it back up again. I think I'm done. I think my sides are done. Yep. Alright, I think my box needs a new liner. It's had quite a few pores in it. Okay. It's not perfect because I think my black was a little bit too thick. But let's go and have a little look, hey? Got to have a win today. Sometimes you just don't, you know. Sometimes you don't have a win. Let me turn my other light off, hang on. Sometimes you just don't have a win in the studio. Alright. I don't often work with the black cell activator, so... Oh, look at that lime. It looks as if it's fluorescent. Bit of purple there. Those colours are really pretty together. Look at that, we've got colours inside colours inside colours. A puppy crying in the background. He wants attention. I'll put them away while I come in here. Maybe the lime was maybe a little bit overpowering. I probably didn't need so much lime. But the rest of the colours are quite dark. I thought they would lighten a little bit with, you know, touching the white pillow underneath. But I can't see any white at all. So what do you think? Do you like that one? Hope so. Oh, I think I might give it a miss with the mica powders. I don't know. You probably have to buy a different sort. Right, I'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. And I'm going to go and sit with my doggies. And then I'm going to make another batch of chocolate cupcakes. Because hubby gets home tomorrow. So, alright. Thanks for watching, you guys. Stay safe. Love you all. Bye for now.